What's up guys, Anvav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Now I know it's been a while, but we finally hit 200,000 subscribers. I love you all so much for that. It's such an amazing feeling. I couldn't be happier. Anyway, today's video is about 10 amazing wallpaper applications that I found really interesting and I thought I should share all of them with you guys. If you guys do end up liking them, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so if nature wallpapers are your thing and you have a thing for landscapes and beautiful pictures clicked by actual photographers, Wonderwall is going to be the app that you would want to download right away. Not only does it give you a wide variety of really amazing landscape pictures along with different categories such as mountains, waterfalls, sea, bridge, and all of that good stuff, but it also gives you additional information about the person who clicked the picture and what are the exact camera and the settings that he used to click the same. It's a really cool app in this way, and I think you guys should definitely check it out. So yeah, link in the description below. Next up, back on popular demand, we have Waldrobe, and this just ends up being my go-to wallpaper application of all time, no matter what I'm looking for. Now, aside from the fact that this app has some of the best AMOLED wallpapers you can find if you're rocking an AMOLED display on your Android, this app also has a wide variety of different categories, and unlike the first app, it's not just limited to landscape. So you can find a lot of different wallpapers in here, and you also have the same options such as the camera settings and all of that we used to click the particular pictures. Definitely check it out. It's a must-have, link in the description below. Alright guys, at number 3 we've got a really cool live wallpaper that reminds me of MKBHD's intro. This is called Particle Constellations, and essentially it's a bunch of dots connected by a bunch of lines which move in real time and look really cool while doing it. You can adjust a various amount of settings such as the scroll particles, the density, the line thickness, the particle scale, and all of that good stuff. But all in all, it's just a really good wallpaper application that I think you guys should definitely check it out, and also doesn't eat up a lot of battery if that's something you're wondering about. But yeah, check it out. Alright, so continuing the train of live wallpaper applications, we've got Motion from the guys over at Maxelius. Now, this is one of my hands down favorite wallpaper developers of all time, and one of the main reasons is because they come up with really trippy visuals and sites that look really good. Now, this one called Motion has beams of arrays of lines or dots which are being thrown towards your screen. It uses your gyroscope and the other sensors to give it this really cool 3D depth, and again, looks really cool while doing it, so definitely check it out. Alright, so next up we've got Beta Fish, and this is again from the same guys that brought you guys the previous live wallpaper, Maxelius, and this time we've got a really cool 3D fish which apparently has a very satisfying color palette moving around your screen that responds to your touch and also to the rotation sensors in your phone when you tilt or rotate your device. It is a really cool wallpaper application, and the detailing on the fish is absolutely insane. You can configure a lot of things if you get the pro version, but in my honest opinion, I think the free one does a great job of showing you what the app can do, so definitely check it out. Alright, next up we've got Stupid Screens, and this is a very different wallpaper application that I'm sure most of you guys haven't heard about. This is not your traditional wallpaper app, but rather it is a wallpaper application which lets you create wallpapers. I know, right? I mean, how original could you get? So essentially you've got a couple of fixed templates, and then you can enter the settings of that particular wallpaper that you select and basically configure everything from the color to the geometry to the type of image that it's going to be, to selecting what kind of gradient the colors are going to have. It's a really cool application, and you can customize your Android phone a lot out of this, so definitely check it out, link in the description below. Alright, next up we've got an application called Artwalls, and if you are a fan of minimal abstract wallpapers that aren't really pictures but are just shapes that look really cool, and you've got an AMOLED screen to show off those deep blacks, this is your wallpaper app to go for. Now essentially Artwalls is a collection of different minimal graphic arts or graphic designs created by different people. You've got several categories as well as featured wallpapers and random wallpapers. In my opinion, they look really great if you've got the corresponding widgets to show it off with. But yeah, check it out, link in the description below. Alright guys, continuing the minimal wallpaper train, next up we've got AMOLED Walls, and this application actually comes in two different forms, premium and the free one. I've got a bunch of codes for the premium ones, so you guys can get them for absolutely free, so check the description for those. Getting straight to the application, it's well, a really good wallpaper app by an Indian developer. Now it's got a lot of cool abstract shapes and designs, and I think the collection here is absolutely insane. Once again, your phone will look much better if you have an AMOLED display when you're rocking them. And well, yeah, you guys can have fun rocking these really cool wallpapers. Alright guys, next up we've got AMOLED Pix. And if you like wallpapers that are relevant to any comic books such as the Marvel or the DC universes, and you just want to stay relevant with these sort of wallpapers, I think this is the app to go for. Not only does it have a really good collection and categories of different wallpapers, but it has a dedicated superhero section with which the wallpaper that's featured in this video is also from. So you can definitely check it out. It's got a really good collection, and they're all very high resolution, and you can download them straight onto your home screen as well as to your gallery without any hiccups. So definitely check it out, link in the description below. Alright guys, last but definitely not the least, we've got 3D Parallax Wallpaper 2.0. Remember when this was cool back in like 2013 or 14 and people were losing their minds? And a lot of people used to use these wallpapers as thumbnails because they used to get a lot of views. Well, I'm not gonna do that, but essentially this is a 3D parallax wallpaper, and it's the upgraded second version. Basically it just gives you more varieties of wallpapers that you can select, and it's got this really annoying coin unlocking thing where you have to watch an application to apply a certain wallpaper. But if this is the feature that you want to get by using your phone's gyroscope sensor, well, you can, since this is Android, and if you have to watch a video for it, I don't really mind. But either way, it's a really good application, gives you these really cool 3D wallpapers that make your phone's screen very cool. So definitely check it out if this is something you're looking for, and yeah, link will be in the description below. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys did like it, please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, links in the description below. I will catch you guys in the next video. The 200k giveaway video is dropping soon, so be sure to stay updated for that. Until then, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Peace out.